Hello everybody, Princess Bear here, and today we're back with another Disney Food at Home remake.
This time we are hanging out, in case you hadn't noticed, at Hollywood Studios.
Just because I see Galaxy's Edge and Toy Story Land and...
Though, we're headed to probably the emptiest area at Hollywood Studios.
Is it the empty? It's not... Okay, whatever.
The Muppets area.
The Muppets area.
We are going to be cooking a dish from Mama Melrose.
Yes, we're going to make a plant-based polenta cake with a cauliflower steak because...
Some sauteed veggies and cashew cheese!
I don't know why she's so excited. I guess we like making complicated food because who wants hamburgers and hot dogs all the time?
I mean, it's not very often you get cashew cheese at Disney, so why not represent that?
We're going to go have at it, and we will see you soon.
Be sure to hi-ya!
You heard the girl. So everybody, we're back. We're finished with this cauliflower steak, polenta cake, in a cashew cheese sauce with sauteed veggies.
Yeah, usually there's mushrooms, but we decided to put sun-dried tomatoes instead because I got it without mushrooms.
The last time we went. I mean, the
Yeah.
chefs are always willing to accommodate you should you have certain dietary, even taste needs in some cases. So
I just don't like mushrooms.
texture issues, mushrooms, they were more than happy to take them off. But this came together rather nicely. It takes some prep, not a horrible amount.
No.
Start like a mid-afternoon and have like an early dinner still.
Yeah.
I think the hardest part was probably the polenta cake to make.
Yeah. It's probably
Really hard.
easier to get the pre-made polenta cake
Yeah.
and then just throw it together, but
We did it the hard way.
it was
obviously.
fun. It was fun to make little cakes.
Yeah. But you can get polenta cakes in like a tube and
Yeah.
saute some veggies and cauliflower steak. This whole thing might take like 20-30 minutes.
Yeah, it really doesn't take very long at all.
But like we were really proud of the way the cheese sauce came out. We've made cashew cheese sauce at home before. Don't think it's tasted this good though.
No, definitely not. This is a win for cashew cheese.
But overall thoughts and, you know, everything looking pretty, it's time to eat.
Yes, I can't wait. I bet Rizzo would be proud.
Rizzo.
Yes.
Okay. So, I don't even know where to start. There's just so much to like unpack here.
Well, we should just get like a healthy bite of everything, I think.
Okay. Well, it's
Yeah, like a little bit of cauliflower,
cauliflower's nice and tender. Falls apart with a fork.
smidgen bit of the polenta,
Polenta is cakey, but still easy to get apart.
couple veggies,
Some dried tomatoes
and some sauce.
and the sauce.
Woo!
Dink.
Dink!
Mmm.
Wow.
The roast of the cauliflower really comes through. The cheese sauce is strong but not overpowering. I think the sun-dried tomatoes were a good choice to replace the mushrooms
I agree.
because they had like a savory flavor that the mushrooms would have gotten without letting the spinach get too strong, and the peppers have just enough like tart bite to sort of like complete everything. I like this.
I actually think that this is more flavorful than the one that we had at Mama Melrose. Maybe because it's homemade and it's not put through a conveyor belt of food.
Maybe.
But I really like it.
I like the way ours tastes. I think theirs might have been a little bit prettier, only because their polenta cake was a little bit firmer than ours.
Yeah, our polenta cake kind of fell apart, but it was our first time making polenta cake from scratch, so I think we did pretty good.
Yeah. Next time would definitely be a pre-made cake.
Yeah,
For,
absolutely.
like, something to eat during the night. This is going to go on our rotation of dishes without fail. to
Absolutely.
eat. But I definitely like it. I'm saying our effort, 3.5 out of 5 plus.
I'd say it's definitely worth the effort to try.
Yeah. I definitely think it's worth it. I think we did a decent job.
Yeah.
There's some room for improvement, but the flavor is there, and that's what counts, right? So, if you guys want to see other videos like this, see other restaurants and Disney food at home remakes you want to see us do, the comments is always going to be the way you let us know. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
We have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Cashew cream on here, some spinach, mushrooms, which are not my jam. Let's see how this tastes. It's crispy. The cashew cream kind of helps it. I really don't know how to feel about the taste. The food is actually lukewarm, so I feel like it's mediocre. Overall, it's pretty decent. But it comes vegan as is, so don't be afraid to order the polenta if you're vegan. You don't have to do any modifications or anything like that, but they're super accommodating for vegans here at Mama Melrose. They said that even though they have the one food item that is completely vegan on the menu, they can legit make anything vegan that you would like that's on the menu. So don't be afraid to order the polenta or something else. Get adventurous because they are willing to please here at Mama Melrose.
So, polenta cake. We have some sauteed spinach in here. Cauliflower, mushroom, just cashew cream cheese. Looks pretty on a fork. That's interesting. It's flavorful. You can't really taste the mushroom, which is good for Princess, as she despises those. Everything works really well together, but I'm with her on the temperature. If it was like hot and more than like room temperature, I could probably do a little bit better on it. It's not bad. It's definitely better than most of the meals we've had here in Hollywood. Maybe 2.5 out of 5. It could be a 3, but the temperature just kills it for me. I just can't do it. It makes everything seem sort of weak flavor-wise.